This is the Casio fx300MS calculator, and we're going to go ahead and use this now to find a binomial probability. All binomial probabilities start off with a combination, and you'll notice I have the NCR button here on the calculator to give me the combination that I need, not NPR for permutation, which is in yellow. But the way I use the calculator is I need to enter the n, the fixed number of trials value, first. So let's go ahead and use 15 for this problem. I see the 15. I can go ahead and hit the NCR button, and I just see the C, but that's okay. And now it wants to know, of those 15 items, how many are you choosing? So let's go ahead and take 13 of those numbers, and I still have a 0 down here, and I have a blinking cursor. So I need to go ahead and hit equals, and I get 105. There are 105 ways to choose 13 items from a set of 15 items, which is helpful, but is also only the first of 3 parts of the binomial problem. So now what I need to do is multiply 105 with the next parts. The 105 is already showing on the screen, so I can go ahead and just hit the times button, and it'll say take that answer and multiply it with what? Well, for the next part, I'm going to start with open parenthesis, and I'm going to type in the probability of picking one of those 13 items. Let's go ahead and say there was a 0.6 probability of picking one of the 13 items. I need to take that to the x power, which is the same thing as the r in this case. To get an exponent on this calculator, I have this top half of a triangle here. So I hit that, and we'll go ahead and hit x or r. It's the same value of 13. And now I'm taking 16 to the 13th power, and that's it for my middle piece. So I want to close off the parenthesis, and I'm ready to multiply the next piece. I go ahead and hit times, starter parenthesis, and now I need to enter Q, the probability of failure of not picking one of those 13 items, which is found by 1 minus p. So 1 minus 0.6 is 0.4. And I need to take that to the power of x minus n, which I'll go ahead and do in my head. N minus x, I said it backwards. But so 15 minus 13 is 2. Oh, well, I guess I could have squared it, but I already put the exponent button. And it's kind of habit for me to go ahead and hit n parenthesis and then equals. And I have just found that the probability of picking a single item of 0.6 when I want to pick 13 of those items from a set of 15 is 0.02194, etc. And that is the Casio fx300MS for binomial.